Do you want to pay for Netflix long-term instead of dealing with monthly payments? Here's what you need to know about getting a 1-year Netflix subscription. First, it's important to know that Netflix usually charges monthly and doesn't officially offer a direct 1-year plan in most regions. So the easiest way to get a full year is by using prepaid Netflix gift cards or by keeping an active monthly subscription for 12 months. To do the gift card method, go to a trusted retailer or official Netflix gift card seller and buy enough balance for 1 year of your preferred plan. After that, open Netflix in your browser or app and log into your account. Click or hover your cursor over your profile icon on the top right corner. Go to Account, then click Manage Payment Method. After that, select Change Payment Method, then Redeem Gift or Promo Code. Enter the code from your gift card, click Redeem, and the balance will automatically apply to your subscription over time. If your region or mobile provider offers bundled yearly Netflix deals, you can also check those since availability depends on location. And that's pretty much it. That's the closest way to getting a Netflix 1-year subscription set up in 2026. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.